Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kajing yalang kaba arpulai jengka raja sainik boat kaba jupar khad ya ka ekashon jengki shipai kibla shong thaj bat kumju ro ya ki kurim jengki shipai kibla yap no ya ka ne lapan long hapo ka conference room jengka Meghalaya secretariat hakte kajing yalang lapan ya documentary rangba ka jala konrat ke sangma ha kajing ya sendrang lang the ugul gotam kumarai directorate of sainik welfare administrative building documentary rangba ka jala haba ai khuble ya ka directorate of Sainik Welfare kabla Treshitom ban khmi e ka bha kamyat jong ki shipai kibla shong thai bat ula ongru ba ka sorkar ka angnut ban iarap bha ki shipai kibla shong thai bat pendon kam bha ya ki nakabenta ka jingmen toy jong ka jala ha ka jing alang la ya ta ya ki mat badon kam kum ka jingte ya ka Sainik Rescom office complex ha Shillong ka jingseng ya ka ECHS Polytechnic Hatura ha ka ni ka jingyalang lawan ya shimentaru do chief secretary ka jala oba DP walang
Colonel GK Rai, retired. I'm the Director, Sainik Welfare, Meghalaya. Today we had the 23rd Rajya Sainik Board meet, which was held after COVID. The last meeting we had was in February 2020, and due to COVID we could not take the points which was raised during that meeting, 22nd meeting. But the same thing was raised in this particular meeting, and many things were sorted out. And one of the main achievement of this particular meeting is we have started construction of Sainik Rest House. Sainik Rest House is office come the rest house complex for our veterans. We have got one now in Shillong, and the construction started in full swing. Now the moment this thing comes up, the directorate office will be placed there. And since we have the guest rooms and all that, all our the veterans and the widows who will be coming from far-flung areas, like from the Garo Hills, or even from the Jayanta Hills and all, even Rivoy and all, they can stay in a room which is well furnished and cheap. And the best part, it will be safe because it is within the cantonment. The land given to us is just behind the Bauri Netralaya in Pine Walk area, and the construction is going on full swing. This is the main achievement of our directorate with the blessings of our Honorable Chief Minister, who is also the Rajya Sainik Board President of this state. That apart, trying to extend the facility of ECHS polyclinic. That is, we have the contributory health scheme, ex-servicemen, and we want to have a polyclinic in Tura to take care of all our veterans from the Garo Hills. Similarly, in the same location, we also want to start extension counter of Sainik School. Now, you must have heard that during our meet today, we are vying for certain accommodation within the DC office, where our Zilla Tura Zilla office is located. And all the states give cash grant to the soldiers of that state, whoever gets or gallantry award or distinguished, like Paramveer Chakra, like we have the Clifford Nongrum who got Mahavir Chakra. So there's a certain amount is earmarked by the state, and the moment you get this particular, you are awarded with this particular award, then that money is given by the state government to the, if he is alive, then to him or to his parents or his wife, the surviving family member. Establish a Sainik school, because Meghalaya is the only state apart from Tripura in Northeast which doesn't have its own Sainik school. So we are going full zip. Let's hope that something comes through, because right now we have been generally raking the area, seeing the area. As of now, we had gone to the West Jayanta Hill in the area of Raliang and Shangpung. But those areas are hilly, and let's see what it comes up. But we are going to have Sainik school in our state. That is assured. That apart, since the strength of the veteran is a little less in our state, we are having issues of having Zilla officers in all these districts, because when you say Zilla, it is basically a district. As of now, we have 12 districts, but the population of our veteran and the widows are about 5,000. So that's how, keeping in view the distance, we managed to open another Zilla office in Tura, who will take care of the veterans of the 5 districts of Garo Hills. And here Shillong was already existing right from the time we are part of Assam. Now that has become independent. After that, the directorate was raised, and when I joined here in 18, the Honorable Chief Minister and President Rajasthani Board was very kind enough, and he understood the requirement of the veterans of Garo Hills, and the office was established there in 2019. We also have an officer there, Zilla Sainik Welfare Officer, who is handling all the issues of veterans of Garo Hills. Well, that's all. The simple answer is, I am Sainik School Golpara alumnus. I studied in Sainik School Golpara. The moment a Sainik School is made, Sainik School's aim is to feed National Defence Academy. We are trained in such a way that we are meant to go to National Defence Academy. Like in my case, we are 52 classmates, out of which 18 of us had cleared the written examination. But finally, the Service Selection Board, we are 5 of us who cleared. One went for Air Force, 1 for Navy, and 3 of us in the Army. And the rest, let me assure you, did very well. They were GM of Oil India, GM of oil, and GM in your refinery in Bongaigaon. So, they are at that level. And we had also GM of Coal India in the Margarita, in the Upper Assam.